Hello, I'm Latif with Laticotech, and you are welcome back to the second part of the demo video. And this video we're going to concentrate on the admin portal, okay? And I believe this is going to be a short video, so let's quickly see what the admin can do on the admin portal. Okay, so this is the admin page. The first page that you see when you are logging in. So you type the the web address / then you type admin and you'll be brought to this. So we are going to type the admin details. First thing we're going to type is the email, then the password, and then we hit login. So I'm going to quickly do that one and then we continue. So when the admin logs in, this is what the admin get to see. Right, so this is the admin portal. Now first, what the admin has to do is to set up the details of the company. So here we go down here to settings and then click on settings. Now I've already set up a data there, which is a dummy data, and so if the admin comes here, all the admin has to do is to just edit what is already there. So we just need one setup for the company, so it shouldn't be different names. So no need to go and click on add settings. Suppose there was no name here, no settings here, then the admin will have to click that. But since this is already set up, all the admin has to do is just to click on this and then now do the the changes here. So we can change the address, all these things. These are the logo. So we have a title, so the title that appears on the screen. Then keywords, just type the same thing, okay? You can type the description, and this one doesn't mean you have to go into details. You just type in maybe the name of the company. You can repeat the name of the company there in full, and the address, phone number, you can change them, your email, then the logo. So we can click here and search for a logo. I don't know if there's a logo here. So if you could quite remember, there was a logo there, and we can change the logo to the company's logo. So I'm just going to pick this one, and then to give the motto. Okay, so these are just dummy data. I just decide to type the machine, the Facebook handles. Okay, so maybe it could be at ReefaDelights, and then Instagram handles, Twitter handles, Telegram, YouTube, TikTok, WhatsApp, and then now here the admin will get to type about the company. So here we have text editors here. So about us, we can highlight it, bolden it, italize it, even change the color. Okay, you can change the font color. Okay, and then come in here and then just do some editing at all that you want to do. You can italize this one. Okay, so and then here we'll create a video about the company and upload it on the YouTube channel, and just copy the link of that, okay, and then paste it here. So that is basically what we're going to do there. And then when that is done, just hit save. So that's the first step the admin has to do to save this detail. Now if we go back to the home page here and then refresh, take a look at this logo. If I refresh, then the logo changes to this, because this is what we just changed here. Back to the admin portal. The next thing is that admin has to add categories of products. So you can click categories, and then these are dummy data that I've just done. So you just click on add, and then give a title of the product. Let's say seafood, and then you can give an image to that. I don't know if I can get an image. So basically, before doing this, we need to get images of some of these things, and then before we start uploading them. So we just need something that will represent seafood. Nothing. Let's see. Okay, I'll just pick a picture, anything here, just use it. It's just a dummy data that I'm just putting in. Okay, I'm just taking this one and then click to save. So this is the current one that I just added. After adding category, the admin can add product. So under shop, you come to, we did category, so we are now looking for product. Let's see products here. Okay. Also the admin can, before adding the product, okay, let's just continue. So the admin can add a product, so let's go to this place, and then who is now going to upload this? So the one who has the account login. So we have this person here, and then what category of food are you going to add to? So I just added seafood. I'm sure it should be here. That's it here. And then the vendor will be here. So if there's no vendor, you just click on add, and then you go to the vendors page, and this user that we added, and give the name of that vendor. But since we already have it, there's no need to do that. So we already have the name there. So this vendor is this, and this is the name of the product. So let's just say salmon. So we add the salmon, and we get a picture of it. So I could just pick something to represent that. Actually don't have enough pictures here, so I'm just going to pick this for the purpose of the demonstration, and then write about the product. Okay, this is a product that gives this and that, it comes with this, it's produced this and that. Okay, then the price, maybe let's say 25.99, and maybe the old price. So let's see, and then give some specifications of the product. You just type in some dummy data here, and the date, the manufacturing date, if there is, you can just, if there is no, you just click on this. That is the date that you are putting on stock. So how many products do you have on stock? On default, you see 10 days. So if they are 150, you just type 150. And you can give a tag, and the tag will be let's say seafood, and let's say salmon. Okay, and then you can publish this. You need to publish, else it will not be displayed on the home page. And add, make sure you indicate if it is in stock or not, and then the date we updated is just today. We just say today. And if there are other pictures related to that, you just click on here and then pick any picture that is related to it, and then you click save. So this new product is added to the list. The next thing that admin can do is to add users. You can click here to add user. So if you're adding a user, these are users who have created an account with the admin. Now out of these users, you can give a lot of them clients, so we don't need to give them any access. But let's say we have a vendor who is a staff. You can decide to give that vendor. Right now the vendor is just an active vendor, so an active vendor cannot log into this admin portal. It's only the admin that can log in. But if you want, you can give the this vendor a staff status by clicking on this, and then you look at the group, like access group, what this staff can access. So we have what we call the access group. Now we don't take the super user. The super user is a person who can have access to everything. So let's check the permissions here. These are the permissions you can give to that person. So can the person have access to the account details, adding new users and all those things, or can the person add product to the categories and all this stuff? So these are permissions that you can. So you can pick if you want this user to, let's go to the shop. So this is the shop. If you want the user to be able to add category, you can click this. So maybe you have a worker who can add to stock, so you can give that person a staff status, and then come to the permissions and give. So if the person can add category, you select it, you go back again. The second part is you can change the category. You go back again, it can create a coupon, it can view a category, it can delete a category. So this is where you give that, and when you're done, you then click on save. And you can also type details about the person here. Okay, so that is what we can do. So you click on save, and this person is a staff and can have access to the admin portal. So anytime you want to delete the person's access, you just come and untick this one and then save it back. So this access group will be denied for this. Next is we're looking at promotion. So the admin can click on promotions and then add a promotion. So the admin can either pick a product and then do that, or just give a quick promotion. I want to see what we already have. We have this 14-day and it is about the category group. So let's see if we can pick a product. So instead of a title, we can give a promo title. Let's say 10 days shopping spree with your family, and then you pick a product. So that will be the item name. So let's say we're going to give promotion on the fresh chicken thigh, and so we leave the other promo, we leave the category because we are dealing with only product or item name, and then you give discount to this. So what discount are you giving? Let's say if you are giving 10%, and then promo banner, you have to get a picture for this one, and this banner will be displayed on the home page. So that will be displayed there. So we are looking for a banner here. So let's see. In fact, this banner, I also need to use a graphic designer to design it so that it can fit the banner, but let's just pick a picture here. I'll take this, and then so 10 days, so maybe from 10 days we'll just make it, so this is 24th. I can make it 24th of May, and then the next month will be okay, so from 24th, that will be 4th of the next month, or maybe let's make it 3rd, and then of the next month, which will be June, and then you save this. So if we look at the page, we will be seeing this. So let's go to the home page and refresh this. So this is what we just added. So we're looking for the 10-day shopping spree with your family. This is what we just added. Back to the page again. What can the admin do again? The admin can watch orders that have been made. So when you click on orders, these are orders that have been made, and the status. This one shows that it has been paid. This shows it hasn't been paid here. Okay, so these are the orders that you can check through, and on each order, from here, Sarah here, you can click and see what actually she has ordered. So you click on orders and you can see it here. So this is what the admin can see. Admin can add what do you call it, maybe 3 of the service style. If you do 24/7 support, you can put it there. And so if you're coming here, if I come here and want to add one, I just put the title here. If we have free delivery, I think we already have that one there. I added that title. Maybe what do you call it, free or the coupons. I don't know what to put there. And then the description is here, and then you can add an icon to it. So we need to get an icon to represent that, but basically I have 3 of them here. So what we can do is just to edit 3 is enough. So if you want to change this thing, you just click on it, change the title, change the description, and you can leave the icon as it is. And the other ones too, you can do the same thing by doing that. Next is to look at the coupons, how to create coupons. So you just click here and then create the coupon code. I think we can update it. So let me just say code 22, and then what discount are you giving to this one, and then it is active, then you save. So anyone who is having this code can use it as this to get a discount out of that. And then what else? Let's see down here. So admin can look at the product previews that people have given. So these are product previews that what the users have given out here. So this is the product previews, and then you can look at the shortcut, those who haven't declared their shortcut. So this person, for instance, has added this to the shortcut but hasn't made the pages or anything, because anytime you add the product to the cart and you clear the cart, you move to the order page, the cart is automatically cleared out. Okay, so if the admin doesn't need it here, you just delete it out of the system. Okay, then what else can the admin do? Vendors, like I said, the admin can add vendors and give their details. Okay, so these are a few vendors here. And then wish list, admin can also look at the wish list of the staff. And then the contact, when we go to the home, so they are under categories. This is under account, this is under okay, all this is from account, this is under blogs, this is home. Under home you can see the contact, the messages that people have sent, so you can read it here and either to say you've read it and you save it, or you can add some note under that. So if you want, you use the email and then you can reply back to the user. And then one other thing to do is under home, let's see what we need to do here. Let's go back to blogs. You can also look at the comments under the blogs. You can also blog here. So here's how to blog. You click here, add the posts, and you give the title. Okay, I wanted to say vitamin. Just type in something. Oh, sorry, this is the author. So the author who is typing, let me just say John Doe is the one who is going to post this. You can pick an item here to do that, or just give a simple. So this is the title. You can use the title, or you can pick a product and talk about it. So we're just talking about best vitamin product, and then you can now type the details here. So I just want to grab something from, I just want to grab a dummy data here like this. I don't want to type much, and just paste it here. And here you can go along to kind of edit it, making it bold. Take note, we have the main content, and we have a sample of it. So here you can after typing this, you can just copy a sample out of this and then paste it here, and then you can add 3 dots so to show that it's continuous. Now this sample will be displayed on the home page, and so it will then prompt the user to click and read more about it. So whatever is typed here, you just click and highlight just a sample here and paste it here. Then you can now give a picture of that. So we're just talking about best vitamin male. So I'm just looking for a picture. Well, let's just take this picture, and then you have to indicate that you're publishing it. You can add tags, maybe hashtag vitamin fruit, okay, and then post it. Alright, so this is posted. Let's check the home page. Let me refresh this page here. And when we check down here, this is the current one that is posted here. So when we click, and it will be red. Now back to the home page. Here you realize that this is the sample that is shown here. So the user will not get to read everything, and the user will be asked to move to the detail page and read more about it. So that is the use of that part. What else can we do under the admin portal? And you can look at the PayPal IPNs if they are made. So ordered products, so you can view that one. Shortcut vendors. I think that is pretty much all about it. And yeah, that is it. So that will do for this video. If there are any questions or anything to be added, then we can discuss that one later. Okay, take care and bye for now.